The METALTECH pump jack system will help you perform jobs safely in a variety of environments. In this video, we'll show you the components of the pump jack system, how to set it up, and how to use it safely. The wooden poles should be built of clear, straight-grained fir lumber, free from knots and defects. The poles consist of two 2x4s screwed together to create a 3 by 3.5 inch pole. Number 10 screws are recommended to assemble your poles. All screws should be placed 12 inches center to center, staggered uniformly from opposite outside edges. To reach a maximum height, up to 30 feet, your 2x4s may be spliced. The 2x4s must overlap a minimum of 3 feet, and screws should be a minimum of 6 inches center to center on each side of the splice. We recommend using mending plates on all splices for maximum strength. When using 10-penny nails, always countersink all nails. Slide the brace to the top of each pole. Tighten the wing nut on the brace, securing the mechanism in place. Position the poles along the work wall and install them with the pole anchors. Make sure the pole anchors are secured in place. All poles must be installed on a firm foundation or mudsill. Screw the brace on the working wall by using the required hardware according to the type of wall, and make sure that the braces are locked in place. Make sure to install the pump jack poles and braces 7 feet apart, center to center, and that the seams of the pole are facing the wall. Install the steel brace at the bottom of the pole. Additional pump jack braces may be installed vertically along each pole every 10 feet. To install your pump jack, attach the pump jack to the pole with the platform arm facing the working wall. Secure all parts by inserting cotter pins and locking them into position. Open the platform arms by fully extending them and installing your work plank securely in place. When choosing your platform, make sure to select a scaffold grade or equivalent lumber. We recommend using a 9-foot long platform with the pump jack system. There should be a platform overhang of 6 to 12 inches on each side. When overlapping platforms, it's required to have a 12-inch minimum overlap between the planks. The platform arms should be fully decked when using the pump jack system. When using the pump jack system at more than 10 feet high, it's important to install a guardrail. We recommend building a wood guardrail with 2x4s. Install toe boards and end rails in compliance with regulations. To raise your pump jack system, stand on the walk plank with the jack and pole in front of you. Place your foot in the stirrup and pump slowly until the platform is raised approximately 1 foot high. Repeat this process with the other pump jacks. Make sure to always keep the walk plank leveled when working on the system. When you reach the required height, raise the stirrup to the up position. To lower the pump jack system, start by raising the stirrup to the up position. Unlock the crank until it turns freely. With one hand, hold the pole, and with the other, firmly grip the crank handle. Place 1 foot on the square pedal of the lower lock and push down to open. Turn the crank to lower the platform approximately 1 foot. Repeat the process with the other pump jacks. When the desired height is reached, raise the stirrup to the up position and lock the pump jack in place.